In primetime news this evening, limited confidence in Integrity Commission. RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll analyzes what Jamaicans think about anti-corruption agency. Major breach in best practices. Government officials react to massive fire at Fesco gas station.
We would have loved to have seen captured on that video just greater attention, greater alertness about the situation.
And family of gas station fire victim appeals for persons to stop circulating video.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. Gaming giant Supreme Ventures is speaking out this evening, defending the value of its stocks. Their arguments later on in the business day.
Okay, from fashion, we go to Jordan Fort at the sports desk. Jordan?
Well, Herman, I have a big smile on my face because the young reggae girls are now into the knockout stages of the CONCACAF Under-20 Championships for the first time in over 10 years. I'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
Good stuff, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what should the government do to ensure gas station operators comply with best practices?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.